Hello everyone, this is my fifth video on C++, and in this video I will be talking about the increment operators and decrement operators and the types of increment operators and decrement operators. So first of all, let me talk about what type of operators these increment or decrement operators are. Basically, they both come under the arithmetic operators. So let's talk about what is this arithmetic operators. Basically your plus, minus, division, multiply, and what is remaining I have given 4. Okay, there is more, like, okay, there's a modulus operator as well. You may not know it, but I will discuss what is a modulo operator, maybe in the next video. For now, just know that this is a modulo operator. Okay, and then I have this increment operator and decrement operator. Okay, so basically this much you need to know. These many arithmetic operators are there, and uh, we are going to discuss about two of them, which is increment operator and decrement operator in today's video. So basically increment operator is the double plus sign and the decrement operator is the double negative sign. So let's discuss increment operators. Okay, so let's suppose I have a variable, because obviously this very operation must occur to some sort of numeric value, which is obviously coming under our integer, short, long, float, double, this type of decimal value or integer value. So we are going to make a integer value first, by making a variable int x is equal to 3. Let's suppose this is our variable x and we are going to increment it. Okay, use increment operator on it. So what does this increment operator do? It basically increases the value of our variable by 1. uh, I did this. Okay, this is how we use the increment operator. And if I am using this increment operator after the variable, then this is called post increment operator. Okay, and if I am using it before x, okay, this is called pre increment operator. Let me print out the value of x now that it has been updated. Okay, let's see what is the value of x. The value of x is coming out to be 4. Earlier our value was 3. Now it has increased by 1, because we have used the increment operator. Most precise, it is a post increment operator which we have used. And now let's see what happens when we use the pre-increment operator. Okay, so now let's run it. So now the answer is again 5. So basically both of them does the same thing, which is increasing the value of the variable by 1. Okay, so you might wonder that what is the difference between them, why there's a pre wording and post wording. You might think that this wording comes just because of the position. uh, Actually there's a conceptual difference as well. This is very important. If you, let's suppose that currently our value of the variable at the end of these operations is 5. Okay, now we are going to uh, cut. Okay, we are going to use pre-increment operator while printing out the value of x. Now let us see whether it would give 5 again or would it be 6. As you can see, it is 6. literally from the name as well. Since it is a pre-increment operator, it will first increment the value of x by 1 and then it will print out. Because C++ uh, basically works from top to bottom and it also works from left to right. So first it will see the increment operator. So it will think that I have to increment the value by 1 and then it it will do the caught work. So you can think of it like this. I don't know how it works internally, but I can say that literally it is how it is. So currently the value of x is 6. Now if I print it while doing the post increment, now let's see what happens. Okay, would it give me 7 or would it give me just sorry, I did not use the post increment. Now I will see. Would it give me let's zoom in the terminal. I'm not finding the whole view. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it has not printed the 7. So it means that if I'm using a post increment operator, then it will do the work which it is supposed to do first, and then it will increment by 1. So this is the difference between post increment and pre increment operators. The same thing works for, you know, uh, pre increment. Okay, the latest value of x is 6. So let us see if it will give me 5 or not. Whether pre-increment operator works in the same fashion as okay, so this gives me 6. Why? Because here x was actually converted to 7. Because here it was post-increment operator x plus plus. So when it came to minus minus x, it actually did the decrement first. That is, it converted x from 7 to 6. Now it printed the x. So which will make it printing 6 only. And if we do it by post decrement, now let's see what gives the result. Actually, it gives 6 again. What an interesting thing. Well, actually, here it does the printing first because this is post decrement. It does the work first and then it decrements. So if you print x afterwards, it should give 5. So yeah, it is giving 5. So I think you get the meaning, right? Um, in the next video, we will see how the modulo operator works, which is one of the arithmetic operators. For now, you have understood how increment and decrement operator works and the types of increment and decrement, which is post and pre increment decrement operators. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe. See ya in the next video.